to a clubster. Dina Toy Club Clubsters always get really cool videos, but you gotta subscribe. Hit that little red button right there in the corner, right where the drill's poking. Right there. Hey guys, it is time for the DNM Toy Club. Let's go! So today we are going to be learning colors with toy tool sets. Cool, from our kids' workbench. So let's take a look at our first color. Which color is this, guys? It's orange. You're right. The handle is orange. And the rest of it is gray. That's cool, cool. What's our next color? All right, guys. The handle on this one is the color red. Red. And black. This screwdriver is red and black. It's also a flathead screwdriver, one of our really cool toy tool sets. The next one up is really cool. This color is peach. That's right, that's odd, it's peach, kind of like the fruit. And that part is gray. The part of the screwdriver is gray. Let's take a look at our next color. Which color do you think that is? You're right, it's green. The color green. And the other end of it is red. The part that's the Phillips screw head is red. So let's take a look at our last color. Which color is it? You're right, it's yellow. Cool, yellow. Yellow. The handle on that is yellow. And this part is gray. That's the part that makes the screws go inside of the wood when you're using a screwdriver.